Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge etc. Please subscribe to the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. Today I am going to share about Sukanya Samriddhi account. Sukanya Samriddhi accounts. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana is a government-backed savings scheme launched under the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign of Government of India for the welfare of a girl child. This scheme, with current rate of interest of 8.20%, aims to provide the financial security for the higher education and/or marriage of a girl, thereby becoming the ideal choice for their parents or legal guardian. This scheme also gives EEE benefit, that is tax exemption on investment, accrued interest and maturity amount. The account can be opened in the name of a girl child under the age of 10 years at all Bank of India branches. Sukanya Samriddhi accounts. Government of India has introduced Sukanya Samriddhi account SSA under its campaign Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao by notification number GSR 863E dated 2nd December 2014. The scheme was later modified by GSR 323E dated 18th March 2016. It is one of the most popular small savings schemes of Government of India which is yielding better return along with providing tax benefits. The scheme is meant for girl child only. Sukanya Samriddhi accounts. Government of India by Government Gazette Notification GSR number 914E dated 12 December 2019 has launched a new scheme Sukanya Samriddhi Account Scheme 2019 with effect from 12 December 2019. Sukanya Samriddhi Accounts Features. Eligibility. The account may be opened by one of the guardian in the name of a girl child who has not attained the age of 10 years. Both guardian and girl child shall be resident citizen of India at the time of opening of account. Every beneficiary girl can have single account. Account can be opened for maximum 2 girl children in one family. More than 2 accounts may be opened in a family if such children are born in the first or in the second order of birth or in both on submission of an affidavit by the guardian supported with birth certificates of the twins or triplets regarding the birth of such multiple girl children in the first 2 orders of birth in the family. Provided further that the above proviso shall not apply to girl child of the second order of birth. The first order of birth in the family results in 2 or more surviving girl children. The account may be transferred anywhere in India from bank or post office to other bank or post office. NRIs are not eligible to open these accounts. If either of the two, girl child and guardian, subsequently becomes NRI during the period the account is in operation, the account may be continued till maturity on non-repatriation basis. Tax benefit. Tripoli tax benefit under Section 80C for investment made during the financial year. Exempt at the time of investment up to rupees 1.50 lakhs. Exemption on accrued interest. Exemption on maturity amount. Interest accrued in the account and withdrawals thereof are fully exempt under Section 10(11)(a) of Income Tax Act. Deposits can be made by cash or clearing or transfer or through online. The account may be opened with a minimum initial deposit of rupees 250 and in multiples of rupees 50 thereafter, and subsequent deposits will be in multiples of rupees 50 subject to the condition that a minimum of rupees 250 will be made as deposit in a financial year in one account. The total amount deposited in an account will not exceed rupees 1.50 lakh in a financial year, provided that the deposit in excess of rupees 1.50 lakh in any financial year, if accepted due to any accounting error, will not be eligible for any interest and be returned immediately to the depositor. Deposits may be made in the account till the completion of a period of 15 years from the date of opening of the account. An account in which minimum amount of rupees 250 has not been deposited in a financial year will be considered as an account under default, provided that an account under default may be regularized anytime till completion of a period of 15 years from the date of opening of account on payment of penalty of rupees 50 for each year of default along with the minimum annual deposit in respect of the defaulted years. In case of an account under default, if not regularized within the time specified, then the whole deposit, including the deposits made prior to the date of default, will be eligible for interest at the rate applicable to the scheme till closure of the account. Presently, accounts opened under SSY earns an annual interest of 8.20%. However, the interest rate is notified quarterly by Government of India. Rate of interest. The interest will be calculated for the calendar month on the lowest balance in the account between the close of the fifth day and the end of the month. The interest will be credited to the account at the end of each financial year, and any amount of interest in fraction of a rupee will be rounded off to the nearest rupee, and for this purpose any amount of 50 paisa or more will be treated as 1 rupee and any amount less than 50 paisa will be ignored. Interest will be credited at the end of the financial year irrespective of the change of the account office due to transfer of the account during the financial year. After completion of maturity, that is after 21 years of the date of opening of account, POSB means Post Office Savings Scheme rate will be payable till the date of payment. No interest will be payable after the date of its maturity. If either of the two, girl child and guardian, subsequently becomes NRI during the period and the account is continued till maturity on non-repatriation basis. Operation of account. The account will be operated by the guardian till the account holder attains the age of 18 years. The account will be operated by the account holder herself after attaining age of 18 years by submitting necessary documents. Rates of interest payable on Sukanya Samriddhi accounts as notified by government for different periods. 1st April 2014 to 31st March 2015, rate of interest is 9.1%. 1st April 2015 to 31st March 2016, rate of interest is 9.2%. 1st April 2016 to 30th September 2016, rate of interest is 8.6%. 1st October 2016 to 31st March 2017, rate of interest is 8.5%. 1st April 2017 to 30th June 2017, rate of interest is 8.4%. 1st July 2017 to 31st December 2017, rate of interest is 8.3%. 1st January 2018 to 31st March 2018, rate of interest is 8.1%. 1st April 2018 to 30th September 2018, rate of interest is 8.1%. Here minimum investment is 250 and maximum is 1.5 lakh. 1st October 2018 to 31st March 2019, rate of interest is 8.5%. 1st April 2019 to 30th June 2019, rate of interest is 8.5%. 1st July 2019 to 31st March 2020, rate of interest is 8.4%. 1st April 2020 to 31st March 2023, rate of interest is 7.6%. 1st April 2023 to 31st December 2023, rate of interest is 8%. 1st January 2024 to 30th September 2024, rate of interest is 8.20%. Nomination. The guardian in a Sukanya Samriddhi account will mandatorily nominate one or more individuals as a nominee, but not exceeding 4 individuals, who in the event of the death of the account holder and guardian will be entitled to receive the eligible balance. Where the nominee is a minor, the guardian making the nomination by furnishing the necessary particulars will appoint an individual to receive payment of the eligible balance in the event of the death of the account holder and guardian both during the minority of the nominee. The nomination may be varied by the guardian by making a fresh application together with the passbook to the bank anytime before the maturity of the account. In case of an account opened by a minor or on behalf of a minor, as the case may be, the nomination will be made by the guardian, who may nominate any individual, including himself, in this regard, provided that in respect of such accounts opened before the 1st April 2018, no nomination will be allowed, and in the event of the death of the account holder, the eligible amount will be paid to the guardian. The thumb impression of an illiterate guardian at the time of making a nomination or altering the nomination will be attested by 2 witnesses. No witness will be required in case of a literate depositor for this purpose. At the time of opening of account, nomination cannot be made in favor of NRI. Nominee cannot continue the account or make partial withdrawal after the death of account holder and guardian. Tenure. Deposits will be made in the account till the completion of 15 years from the date of opening of account. The account will mature on completion of period of 21 years from the date of its opening. Sukanya Samriddhi accounts. Account opening. Account opening. Account opening is available at all Bank of India branches near you. An individual may open an account on behalf of maximum 2 daughters whose age is less than 10 years. Guardian can open new Sukanya Samriddhi account for their girl child through Bank of India mobile Omni app. Also, if girl child has savings account and guardian CIF ID is entered as guardian, then guardian can open new Sukanya Samriddhi account through Bank of India mobile app easily. One can transfer money and also can give standard instruction for monthly deposit. Documents required. The application form for opening an account will be accompanied by birth certificate of the girl child in whose name the account is to be opened. Also required certified copy of an officially valid document containing details of identity and address along with a recent photograph. Birth certificate of the girl child is mandatory along with the identity and address proof of guardian. PAN card of minor, if not available, then parents or natural or legally appointed guardian's PAN card can be used. Nomination is compulsory. Nomination can be made for one or more persons but not exceeding four individuals. For further clarification, please refer to Government Notification GSR 914E dated 12 December 2019. A recent passport size photograph of guardian and account holder both. Proof of address and identification for guardian also required. Aadhaar card without biometric capture can be made below 5 years of age, so it is available. Passports also available as up to validity period and without biometric capture can be made below 5 years of age. Parents or natural or legally appointed guardians KYC documents is also required. Job card issued by NRG assigned by the state government officer. Letter issued by the National Population Register containing details of name and address, Aadhaar card, driving license, etc. Sukanya Samriddhi account can be transferred from any other bank or post office to your nearest Bank of India branch. Standing instructions. For ease of depositing the contribution and avoid any penalty for non-deposit, Bank of India provides auto deposit facility in Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account from your bank account starting from rupees 100 only. Apply online or visit your branch. This is the link to internet banking. Sukanya Samriddhi accounts. Account transfer. Account transfer. Customer can transfer their existing Sukanya Samriddhi account held with other bank or post office to Bank of India. Customer needs to submit Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account transfer request at existing bank or post office mentioning address of Bank of India branch. The existing bank or post office shall arrange to send the original documents such as a certified copy of the account opening application, specimen signature, etc. to Bank of India branch address along with a check or DD for the outstanding balance in the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account. Once Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account transfer in documents are received at the Bank of India branch official will intimate customer about the receipt of documents. The customer is required to submit new Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account opening form along with fresh set of KYC documents. Sukanya Samriddhi account closure, premature closure. In the event of death of the account holder, the account will be closed immediately on production of death certificate issued by the competent authority and the balance at the credit of the account and interest dues thereon till the date of death will be paid to the guardian. Interest for the period between the date of death of the account holder and date of closure of the account will be paid at the rate applicable on post office savings account for the balance held in the account. In case of the account holder or guardian ceases to be an Indian citizen, the account will be closed with effect from the date of cessation of the Indian citizen. Where the accounts office is satisfied that in case of extreme compulsory grounds, such as medical support in life-threatening diseases of the account holder or death of the guardian, that the operation or continuation of the account is causing undue hardship to the account holder, it may, after complete documentation establishing the grounds for such closure by order and for reasons to be recorded in writing, allow premature closure of the account. Outstanding balance in the account with interest due as applicable to the scheme will be paid to the account holder or guardian as the case may be, provided that no premature closure of an account will be made before completion of the 5 years from the date of opening of the account. Partial withdrawal. Withdrawal up to a maximum of 50% of the amount in the account at the end of the financial year preceding the year of application for withdrawal shall be allowed for the purpose of education of the account holder. Such withdrawal shall be allowed only after the account holder has attained the age of 18 years or has passed 10th standard, whichever is earlier. The application for withdrawal will be accompanied by documentary proof in the form of a confirmed offer of admission of the account holder in an educational institution or a fee slip from such institution indicating such financial requirement. The withdrawal may be made in one lump sum or in installments, not exceeding one per year for a maximum of 5 years, subject to the ceiling specified, provided that the amount of withdrawal will be restricted to the actual requirement on account of fee and other charges required at the time of admission as shown in the offer of admission or the relevant fee slip issued by the educational institution. Closure or account closure. Closure or maturity. The account shall mature on completion of a period of 21 years from the date of its opening. The balance outstanding along with interest as applicable shall be payable to the account holder. Closure before 21 years is permitted if the account holder on an application makes a request for such closure for the reason of intended marriage of the account holder on furnishing of a declaration duly signed on non-judicial stamp paper attested by the notary supported with proof of age confirming that the applicant will not be less than 18 years of the age on the date of marriage. Provided that no such closure will be allowed before 1 month from the date of the intended marriage or after 3 months from the date of marriage. Sukanya Samriddhi accounts, one pager. There is a one pager available on Bank of India's website with all the information for the customers. Sukanya Samriddhi accounts, download forms. Download forms. There are forms available to download on the Bank of India website. SSA form, opening of account. SSA form, premature closure of account. SSA form withdrawal, SSA form closure of account, SSA form cancellation, variation of nomination, SSA form affidavit, SSA form letter of disclaimer, SSA form letter of indemnity, SSA form standing instructions, SSA account transfer. Thank you very much for your patience.